clean my really messy kitchen. It's bad. I'm gonna show you the floor. We painted, so there's randomly some paintings drying on the ground because I didn't have enough counter space. And yeah, there's just kind of stuff everywhere. A lot of dishes. Yeah. Everything that we just did today is laying out. Yep, we did some perler beads. There's still paintbrushes. The floor is horrible too. Yeah. Yep. Okay, let's do this. Because the 23rd is on a Saturday, Christmas is basically the next 3 days. I need to get this place under control. I'm gonna turn on some Christmas music and get to cleaning. Lucky for me, I just realized the dishwasher is empty. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna there's still a bunch of dishes, but I'm just gonna run the dishwasher, unpack it, and run it again later. I'm not gonna sit and hand wash a bunch of dishes. I don't have time for that. we sweep. Rick got me a new broom today because he used my other broom for when he was doing construction on our bathroom and it was all like dusty and icky. Yay for a new broom! Probably looks like I never clean my house, but I clean all the time. All right, clean as it's getting. I'm not mad. I'm happy.